Yeah, I love this color combination. I think this it has yellow, red, and pink. Yeah, this color combination is so beautiful, and it's kind of shouting, but it's kind of like suits her complexion and her outfit. Yeah, kind of suit it. Yeah, it all depends on the setting. If you're in a corporate setting, like you're going to work the office, like at the bank, I don't think such hairstyle is allowed. But in a social gathering, yeah, you can play around with such colors. And this one is also beautiful. This is more like a cornrow in a love heart shape, kind of cornrow, more in between cornrow and jumbo braids. Wow, this is so beautiful and looks unique. Yeah, so there are different ways to style your jumbo braid, your cornrow. Jumbo braid can be like almost same style, but it now depends on the stylist how they're able to like cut the base, make the base look beautiful, look different. Like this one you see right now, this is stitches cornrow, but you see how the stylist was able to do the base, to cut the base to make it look different by doing the heart shape kind of stuff by the side. And also this one, so it's like most of these stitches cornrow now is becoming in form of like a love heart shape, like a love shape. Let me not say a heart shape, like a love shape. So it's been trending for the past I think 6 months, because this style started like towards mid last year. So more than 6 months, it should be like 8 or 9 months now. It's been trending. So let's see what our stylist will roll out for us this summer. So let's see the styles that is going to be rolling out this summer, because it's looking like in this part of Europe this summer is going to be very, very hot. This is another beautiful color combination, more like a grayish green, something like that, and black. This is another cornrow. This cornrow is so tiny, and pulling it down can be so stressful, most especially when you have a natural hair and your coils are so tight. Yeah, so this is another style with the tip, with coils at the tip. Yeah, so you can also do this style using synthetic coils. Yes, you can do that. This is another beautiful style. This is a regular style. This is not a knotless braid. This is a knot braid. So it seems like knot braid is gradually going out of fashion. So out of 10 braids, before you see knot braids, maybe like 1 out of 10 braids. Sometimes the whole 10 braids can just be knotless braids. Yeah, so this is another beautiful braids with the coils at the tip, very long. Yeah, this is so beautiful. This is another one. This is rubber band with a soft lock. So this should be soft lock at the tip of her hair. She kind of made it like a ponytail. Yeah, more like a ponytail. So this is another ponytail, cornrow stitches, and some other smaller size of cornrow in between the cornrow. This is another beautiful braid color. I can't use it between the gray gold, in between champagne gold and gray kind of color. So this is simple and beautiful, and I love the beads, watercolor beads kind of. I'm looking forward to get these beads here in Poland. So it's the wooden one I have, and my sister brought it from Nigeria. So imagine, so getting these beads can be so difficult, and even when you see them, it can be so expensive. So the money you use in buying it is enough to make your hair, it's enough to buy braids to braid your hair. So sometimes you just feel like, what's the point of getting these beads? So guys, this brings me to the point where I urge you to subscribe. I'll keep singing this. I'll keep saying it loud and clear. Subscribe. You need to support your girl. So I'm trying to get to 50,000 subscribers. We can do that this year. Subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And watch this video to the end. I have information for you at the end of this video. It's just my little chit chat talk. Sometimes they are repetition. Yeah, so in case you missed the previous one, you can also catch up with this one. So I'll see you in my next upload. Welcome back, guys, to Julia Beauty and Style, and I hope you love this video. If you love it, how about to give it a thumbs up? Yes, your thumbs up is so very much important. Yes, your thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So what do I do in Julia Beauty and Style? I do a whole lot of stuff, compilation videos. Yes, sometimes I do a bit of my hairstyle, how I grow my hair, how I made my hair, like this hair, how I made it. I didn't make it myself. Yeah, I didn't. So a friend made it for me. So if you want to see how she made it in a simple and gorgeous way, so you can check out my playlist. So I have a playlist of how I made my hair, as in braiding my hair. And also, if you're the type that you don't like braiding, some people, their scalp kind of like, oh, they feel so much pain whenever they braid, and you just feel like you just want to go the natural way, you want to style your hair, I have video for you. Yes, check out my playlist, where I have a playlist for how I coil, how I style my hair. Yes, you can check out that playlist. Definitely it's going to be very useful for you. And also, if you want to know a bit of skincare routine, my skin is not really so perfect, but trust me, when you see me in real life, you're gonna love my skin. Yeah, at least I'm trying to like make it look good. So if you want to know some reviews, product review, yes, I also have a playlist for that. You can check out the playlist. I create a playlist for skincare product review, and also for hair product review. There's some products I have to coil your hair, to style your hair, to define your coils, coiling techniques. I also have videos on how I coil my hair, and also have video playlist on how I products that I've used to coil my hair, products to use to make your hair look beautiful, and also DIY to grow your hair. Yes, my hair is really growing. I'm going to do a length check very soon. Like, if you watch my previous video where I cut my hair, and now my hair has really grown like crazy, so I'm going to do a separate video for that. So guys, once again, subscribe, like, and share this video. I'm going to see you in my next upload. Bye bye.